What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee-yee ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with, nigga.
What?
What problem, puto? Hey, ufa.
Sit down, man.
I think Beverly would have approved.
Man, are you looking hot?
Your moms used to choose your style.
Tell all the ladies about me. Come back soon.